Jai Hind, dear children. This is Mizan ma'am, and here today I am going to say the story again, The Mango Tree. This is a very interesting story of your RFP book. Okay, so let's start now. I have already sent you a video, but this is a smart version. As you can see, so many beautiful pictures are there in this video. Through slides I am doing this. Okay, so now let's start. The Mango Tree. Not so long, in a village called Haripur lived 4 children who were great friends. Haripur was the village and the children were Ravi, Munni, Ram and Shivani. They were great friends. Ravi was tall, thin and very naughty, while Munni was short, clever and had lots of curly hair. Shivani was quiet with big bright eyes and she was the leader of the group too. Whereas Ram was fat, lazy and always hungry. Now here the story begins. They studied in the same school together, and after the school they played ball or sometimes hopscotch and sometimes marbles near the village pond. How beautiful scene, as you can see. The pond had lots of frogs and ducks and water lilies. Children were having a lot of fun after their school. Now came the summer holidays. What they do during the summer holidays, the children played all day. Sometimes they went to the nearby villages also and played with the other children, as you can see. Now one morning they thought to go to the jungle. Ravi said, let's go to the jungle, but they all were not convinced. Then Munni said, don't be lazy, let's go. But others were saying that their parents will not be ready. So they were so worried. They went to their parents, they took the permission and the parents allowed them that they can go to the jungle, but they have to come back on time. So they all went to the jungle. The children walked and walked and walked and walked, and after a long time they reached to the jungle. They ran after the rabbits, they watched the peacocks, they climbed the trees. They were so happy doing all that. And soon it was noon. The sun was on their top, on their head. The sky was also very bright. And now the children were thirsty. They looked for water but they did not get. Suddenly they saw a well and they went and drank the water. Now Ram, the lazy boy, the fat lazy boy, he fell asleep. Munni was playing the flute. Ravi was very restless. He was moving here and there, jumping and running. Now after half an hour, Ram woke up and he said that I am hungry, as he was very foodie as usual. But they were not having any food to eat. So what they decided, that what to do, everyone is feeling hungry. Someone was reading the book, someone was sleeping, someone was playing the flute and someone was sleeping as well. So they were thinking what to do. Now they were looking here and there for some food, but it was not possible in the jungle to get the food. Suddenly they saw a beautiful mango tree and they were so happy. The leaves were lovely dark green. The thick brown branches were laden with mangoes. There were parrots, sparrows, maynas and bulbuls in the tree. All the birds were there. They all flew away when the children came near. The birds were flying here and there when they saw the children are coming near. Children were very excited to see the mangoes. They looked here and there. Now they started discussing that what they should do. The mangoes are too high. So they tried to jump. But it was not possible for them to jump and take the mangoes. So now they said what to do. They were planning something else. Now suddenly Ravi said, why you want an axe? Cried Munni. An axe? Yes. Ram gave the idea that let's bring an axe and cut the trees. The children said, no, this is not a very good idea. We cannot cut the trees. The tree is also a living thing. And if we will cut the tree, next time when we come to the jungle, we will not get anything to eat. Also, if someone else comes, he or she will also not get anything to eat. So they postponed the idea. Now, someone else said, okay, do not cut the trees. Let's cut the branches. This was Ravi who said that let's cut the branches. No, 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 please don't cut, Shivani said, as Shivani was the leader of the group and very intelligent also. She said, no, do not cut the branches also. The tree will not have mangoes next year if you cut the branches. But they said, then what to do? Ram said, what to do? We are very hungry. What can we do in this case if we are hungry? Then Ravi said, I have an idea. I will climb the tree. And bring the mangoes, or I will shake it hard and the ripe mangoes will fall from there. So Ram said, wow, what a great idea. But Shivani said, no, if you will climb the tree and shake it, all the mangoes will fall down. We do not need so many mangoes. We need only little bit so that we can fulfill our hunger. So they said, what to do? Now again, let's reach up. Ram said, then what to do? Let's reach up and pick the mangoes, said Shivani. Shivani said, okay, let's reach up and pick the mangoes. Why only few mangoes? Said Ravi. Why only few mangoes? Because we will pluck only as much as we can eat, replied Shivani. The rest of the mangoes will remain on the tree. Perhaps more hungry children like us will come here to eat mangoes. When they come, they too will have mangoes to eat. Now the children agreed. They were very happy. Hooray, we are going to take the mangoes. Okay, now as Ram was fat, Ravi was thin and tall. So what Ravi did? Ravi stood on Ram's shoulders. And then he tried to pluck the ripe mangoes. So Ram's shoulder, he reached for the mangoes. He plucked only the ripe. Munni and Shivani, they were very happy. They were clapping. Wow. Soon there was a big pile. Ravi came down. Ram rubbed his shoulder. Wow, you have done a great job. Now children were looking for such yummy. They were not sure that they will get such mangoes, but they were so happy. Now they were thinking how to wash these mangoes. They got the water from the well. They washed the mangoes and ate. Now their tummies were full. They were so happy that wow, now we have eaten a lot. Now we can take rest. But Ravi said it's getting dark and the village is so far. Yes, Shivani said, yes, now we should go. We should take some mangoes for our family members also. Ravi said, I will take one for my brother. Ram said, I will take one for my mother and one for my father. Shivani also said that I will take one for my grandmother. This is how they have taken few mangoes only, and then they were very happy that they are going to their home. So Ravi, Munni, Shivani and Ram, everyone was having the mangoes and they were very happy and grateful to the mango tree that mango tree has provided them such yummy, juicy mangoes. Now they were planning to go. They were saying bye-bye to the mango tree. They said, bye-bye dear mango tree. We will meet soon when we will come here. Now Ram started to run. They all had a long way to go. The village was far away from the jungle. The mango tree smiled. The leaves and branches waved out to the children. Even the mango tree was very happy because the children they did not have any harm the mango tree. They did not have anything wrong with the mango tree. They have not cut the branches. They have not cut the tree. So mango tree was very happy and it smiled. And the leaves and the branches waved out to the children. The parrots, the manas, the bulbul, all were very happy that their home is safe. Children were very good, and the children returned to their homes happily with the mangoes. This was all about the mango tree. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the graphics, the pictures, everything. Now we will meet soon in the next video. Keep reading the RFP book and do well in the examination. Thank you and Jai Hind.